past the camera started.
Dude, he's trying to swallow the feathers. No crank, man.
It's not going to do that fast.
Yeah, I know that we've had like friend snakes that have been back behind us.
It looks like a snake hole right there, doesn't it? He's not going back in and creeping that.
Oh, dude, backing up into the rock, that's your strategy?
Dude, poke out of the side, man. Look at that. The beak's going to, like, you know...
It is amazing how much body control they have. Yeah.
Jimmy's going to come out here and be like, what's going on, guys?
She will scream.
If she was really listening, she would notice that she did not get the car yet.
She's probably doing it with the kids, so.
How is that going to fit in his body?
The bird's already in there.
Really? They can press down that much?
He's got most of the wing in.
Yeah, but he doesn't have the core. The
No,
body
he doesn't, does he?
He's got the head.
God,
Head in his
wow.
wing. Does he have a wing?
I don't know, man. He's going for it, though. Dude, don't mess with him, man.
I'm not gonna touch him. I might grab him and throw